There we go. She's settled right in.
Good maternal behavior.
Incubation seems successful here.
Look at him, very defensive of the clutch.
Good sign of strong parental instincts. Will make a note.
Movement confirmed. Vascularization looks healthy.
Agreed. Record embryo Delta 7 as viable.
These baskets are ready for the new arrivals.
How many did we have hatch this morning?
24 healthy chicks so far. How many did we get in this batch?
35 healthy chicks. They look great.
Okay. We should move them to the larger acclimation area immediately. They're absolutely thriving in this light.
It's a testament to the care they receive here.
These hatchlings seem underweight. Agreed. Let's increase their intake slightly and monitor them closely.
Insert gently like this, stabilizing the head. You can feel the crop filling here. Noted.
How often should we check the younger ones?
Every 4 hours for this age group.
Feather growth looks good on this clutch.
Vital signs are stable across the board.
Ventilation systems look good on this row. How are the new hatchlings doing?
We had a strong clutch rate this morning.
Yeah.
The beeline cockatiels are particularly active.
Porminlis unurboker kaupak rarege. Escape के आलों पर कपराहबत के अमस छुपता है वहाँ पे उतनी भी आता स्क्वटती है
She guards the nest, vigilant and dedicated to the incubation process. Her posture is defensive but the embryo shows strong vascular development and a steady heartbeat. Growth is confirmed and viable.
The miracle of life begins as the first crack appears in the shell. The shell fragments shift slightly as the chick inside pushes outward. The bond between parent and offspring is cemented in the first moments of life. The parent bird lowers its head.
We're making good time. The transfer should be seamless.
Agreed. The new setup is much better for socialization. Almost to the next section.
We must have close to 1,000 chicks in these pens alone. It's been a very successful season.
This batch looks healthy. Are they ready for transfer?
Yes, moving them to pen 3 now.
We want to avoid aspiration, so angle the syringe carefully and dispense the formula slowly.
How are the new arrivals settling in?
They've integrated smoothly. Body temperatures are stable. Look at the development on these crests, Madra.
They seem incredibly healthy. The density is high, but they're thriving. All right, let's get you weighed. You are just precious.
Our success here is incredible. The flock is thriving thanks to everyone's hard work.
We have 22 healthy hatchlings in this batch.
Excellent. Record the weights and prepare the next group.
They seem calm and alert this morning.
The cotton lining is definitely keeping them comfortable and clean. Coordination on the landings is still a bit rough, but they are definitely gaining confidence.
Look at that vigorous flapping. He's really building those breast muscles. Excellent progress today. They should be ready for short flights soon.
He's got it! Look at him go!
Textbook flight pattern established.
Ma'am.
They seem to be taking the high protein mix well.
Good.
Let's maintain this ratio for the younger clutch.
This one here seems to be the most active climber in the group.
Yes, and the socialization behaviors are exactly what we hoped for with this setup.
The results from this quarter are promising. The hatch rates are up, and the chicks appear healthy. Observe how the adults are preening. This behavior indicates low stress and strong flock bonding.